How to use LastPass Password Manager. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to use LastPass Password Manager. First, open Google Chrome and search for LastPass. Then, click on the first link in the search results. After that, click on Get LastPass Free. Here, enter your email address and create a master password. We enter the master password to confirm. Next, click on the Sign Up button to complete the registration process. Now, click on Install LastPass. Depending on your browser, click on Add to Chrome or a similar option. Follow the instructions to add the LastPass extension to your browser. Once it's installed, open the extension by clicking on the LastPass icon in your browser's toolbar. Here, click on Add Item to add your first password. Select Password from the options. Now, enter the website URL and a name for the item, and choose a folder if you wish to organize it. Then, input your username and site password. You can also add any additional notes if needed. Next, you can check the advanced settings if you want to customize them. After that, click on the Save button to store your password securely. Finally, you will see your saved password in the LastPass vault. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.